One form of factoring is called grouping. We typically group when we have 4 terms that we're trying to factor, and usually the first 2 can be linked as a group, and the second 2 terms can be linked as a group. Sometimes you need to rearrange the order, but what you're looking for in a group is for the group to have a greatest common factor. So a greatest common factor is a term that goes into the 2 terms in the group. So what divides into our first 2 terms? What divides into 21 and 56? That would be 7. 7 goes into 21 and 56. And we could also take out 2 m's because we have 3 m's in our first term and 2 m's in our second term. So we could take out m squared. That means we would be left in group 1 with 3m, because 21 divided by 7 is 3. If we originally had 3 m's and took out 2 m's, we have 1 m left, plus 56 divided by 7 is 8. M squared divided by m squared is just 1, so 3m plus 8. Now when factoring group 2, which will be the blue group, we need to make what's left inside of our parentheses the same as what was left inside the parentheses from group 1. So we need to take out a greatest common factor that will make inside my parentheses 3m plus 8. So what goes into negative 12 and negative 32? Negative 4. So negative 4 will go into both of those. We can't take out a variable, so negative 4 is our greatest common factor. Negative 12 divided by negative 4 is 3. M divided by 1 is just m. Since we didn't take out any variables there, the m stays inside the parentheses. Then negative 32 divided by negative 4 is plus 8. And as we can see, inside of our parentheses is the same. In order to write the factored form, we are going to write one factor as what was inside of the parentheses, so 3m plus 8, and one factor which was outside of the parentheses from left to right, so 7m squared minus 4. This is now our factored form of our expression.